Hello everyone, today I want to make mac and cheese in a different way. Stay tuned with Where is my knife? Let's make an attractive mac and cheese. To start, we separate the skin of the cheeses that can be chewed. Grate Cheddar cheese and Monterey Jack cheese calmly. Put 2 types of cheese in the container and add Parmesan cheese to complete our cheese combination. I use milk to cook macaroni, which makes it more tasty and tender. Don't forget to remove the extra foam on the milk. When the milk boils, it's time to add the pasta. Let it cook in milk for 4 minutes. Stir 2 times during cooking so that it doesn't stick together. Seasoning stir. Add nutmeg, black pepper, salt and garlic, and then stir. At the end of cooking, add mustard sauce, cream cheese, and mix cheeses. Stir gently so as not to crush the pasta. Be sure to balance the salt. Our mac and cheese is almost ready. Pour it into the oven tray and put mozzarella cheese on it. Leave it in the oven until the cheeses melt well and the flavors mix. You can use parsley for better taste. This is called the real mac and cheese. It's great, enjoy!